Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my previous videos, and also thanks so much for taking your time to hit the subscribe button below. I don't take it for granted. I treasure you so much, guys. And also, if you haven't subscribed, actually it is free. Make sure you subscribe so that we're able to move together. So our today's recipe is very simple. We are going to prepare avocado green smoothie. I'm saying it is very simple because you require very simple ingredients. You require 4 ingredients only. First, you require 1 ripe avocado. You require 1 cup of ripe pineapple. You require 1 ripe banana, and also you require some handful of fresh spinach. Always use baby spinach. Guys, always incorporate a handful of fresh baby spinach because it is very rich in vitamin K, vitamin D, vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, and also fiber. All these nutrients are very important in bone health. Also, I love putting some chia seeds to my smoothies because they are very rich in proteins, fiber, omega-3, and also fatty acids, which helps me in balancing my weight. For sweetener, I love using honey because of its natural state and also because of its benefits to my health. So I'm going to combine all these ingredients to my blender. I pass them until smooth. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye.